This is a picture of a valve core removal tool. Notice it is notched. First thing you want to do when removing your valve core is release all of the air. I like to use a Allen key. When removing the valve core, make sure the tool is seated over the valve core. Turn counterclockwise, also known as lefty-loosey, to remove the valve core. You can see there is how the tool sits on the valve core. Your valve core removal tool may look different. In order to reinstall the valve core, simply place it in the valve and turn the tool clockwise, righty-tighty. Do not over tighten. Just make sure it is snug, finger tight. Use 2 fingers to tighten the valve.